had a few friends asking what the Young Living Starter Kit looks like. I have one on hand, so I wanted to show you guys it. So a little unboxing. So it comes with a case of oils and some goodies, and then a diffuser and a product guide. So this is the newest product guide, 2021, and then it usually has a magazine depending on the season. They come out with different ones. So the kit that I have right here is the Premium Starter Kit. This is where I started and is one of the most popular. So this is a Desert Mist diffuser, and it runs for about 10 hours. It changes different colors. It even has a candlelight setting, which is really pretty. And you just take this off if you want to use it, and you fill this up with water. And then you add anywhere between like 4 to 10 drops of whatever oils that you want, or make your own combo, just depending on what size room you're using it in or how strong you want the smell to be. And then you can just click it on and change your lights. And then if you hold, I think it's the light button or the power button, one of the two, it shuts it completely off. There was a lot of time that I spent trying to change the colors to get it to turn off, or whatever. So there is a trick where you can just hold it too to turn it off if you're done using it or leaving for the day or not wanting it to run anymore. And then this is the oils in here. It comes with 12 essential oils. Ooh, you can smell it as soon as you open it. So sweet. So it has some info over here on the oils that are included. And then it comes with, I don't know if you guys can see all those, so pretty. So peppermint is something that we use often. Lavender, peppermint are some of our very, very go-tos. Thieves, lemon, digest. So they put a lot of the basics to get people started on the right direction when beginning with oils. So peppermint can be used for things like digestive support. You can flavor your water. I've tried it in our brownies to add a little minty flavor to it. We love using it on our heads if we need the extra support. Lemon is another really good one for adding for flavor in your water. Removing sticky things off of jars or stickers if your kids put them on furniture or windows. You can use the lemon to remove those. Thieves is a wonderful oil for immune support. I love putting an oil on my feet every single day before I put my socks on. And Thieves is one that I like to reach for often, especially with all the stuff going around right now in our world. But Thieves has an unlimited amount of uses, and they've taken this oil because of how powerful it is, and they've made it into a lot of other products. I'll show you some of the products that are actually included in this kit that contain the Thieves blend. Citrus Fresh, that one's wonderful for diffusing or adding to your water again. Then there's Digest. We use this one quite a bit too, especially if you're after supper feeling a little bloaty or just needing that extra support, or the kids need, talking about their tummies. So you can rub that one on or take it internally. You'll notice that these ones are all white, and so these are called the Vitality oils. So these are actually for internal use. And then you'll notice the colored labels down here are for aromatic and topical use. But all these oils, all the Vitality oils also come in the colored labeled oils to use aromatically or topically as well. It's labeled this way for purpose for making people comfortable knowing that these are safe for internal use. But we'll sometimes reach for them and use them both ways, or all three ways, aromatically, topically, or internally. For these ones, you get also Raven. That one's wonderful for like respiratory support or diffusing as well. Valor is one of my favorites, and I'll show you how I apply the oils as well. It smells amazing. Panaway, that is great for your body support, muscles, back, neck, whatever you need it for your bodies or muscles or joints. Lavender is a great support for sleeping or calm. We use it for all things skin, on our pets, our crazy kitten. Lots of different ways for the lavender as well. And then frankincense, kind of a powerhouse oil. So if we remove these, there's actually even more goodies down here. So how I was saying that thieves comes in other products like cleaners. This is a little mini spray that you can use on like spraying in on your carts if you're going out shopping. It's easy to carry in your purse. You can spray it on your vents in your car, or if you're at a hotel. We've used this a lot on like spraying the bed before we use it, or the vents in the hotel. That's just a great convenient little spray. And then there's a hand sanitizer as well. Another great thing to be bringing with you on the go. And we have Stress Away oil in here, one of my favorites when I'm shopping, especially with my kids and my husband. I love using Stress Away. It has a very unique smell, and it has vanilla in there as well. It smells so nummy. And then Peace and Calming. This is my Magic Mom oil. I will put this on my kids even if they don't like it, for their ankles or when they are just needing that extra support. I've been known to pour it in my hands in the car and then just grab ankles if they're screaming or fighting in the back seat, or just putting this in the car diffuser a lot of times. It makes for a lot more of an enjoyable ride. So Peace and Calming is awesome, very magical. Then there's these two little roller fitments that come with it, and so you can apply it to whatever of your oils that you'd like to make them a roll. So there's also Ningxia Red packets that come in the kit. These are great antioxidant drinks, very nummy. Throw them in the fridge, and whenever you need just like a little extra pick-me-up or energy throughout the day, they're full of antioxidants. So you just take an ounce or 2 ounces and you're good to go. So that is the Premium Starter Kit. If you ever have any questions, I'm always here to help too. I wanted to show you how we use oils. So we get that question once in a while too, of like, well, what do you do with them? Where do you put them? How do you even know when to put them on? I am more of just like following your intuition and picking out whatever oil that you are drawn to or feel like, yeah, this will help me support, XYZ, or, so Valor, we'll do that one for today. And so just 1 or 2 drops is really all you need at times. These are concentrated and pure oils, so nothing else is added into them. This one's really cool too because it comes out blue. Smells so good. So I just like rub it in, put it on neck. You can put it right on your wrists, back of your ears. Sometimes your hair are great diffusers, or if you got a beard, you can put it on your beard. It smells so good. Yeah, that's how you can use it topically. And then of course you can use it in your diffuser, and then if they're for internal use or the vitality oils, you can just drop a few drops in your water. Really 1 or 2 drops, again, goes a long ways. So all right, I'm going to do another video on what freebies I like to give to my new team members, just to get you started on the right track. So if you have any questions, let me know. I'm always here to help. Stay well.